Welcome to the Handyman Business Builder YouTube channel. Today, I'm excited to take you through the process of adding bookable services in Jobber. Okay, let's add a new bookable service. So what you do is you go over here to the gear icon right there, and you click on that. That makes this pop up. Then you click right here. You go over right there to online booking and click that. That makes the online booking show up right here. We'll go ahead and read it. Streamline your scheduling by letting leads and customers book an appointment with you online. New jobs will keep rolling in while you remain in total control of what services and availability you offer online. Okay. And then right here, it says set your booking page live. This will make the booking page publicly visible to be shared on your website or social media or directly with customers. At least one service is required for you to turn it on. So right now, I don't have a service in there. I can't even turn it on. So let's create a service so we can turn it on. Hit Manage Services, and that'll pop up as your bookable services right here. No services are added yet. And it says add a service to have it available on your online booking form. So you can go here and you add your service, or you can go over here to add a service. It doesn't matter. Go all over here and click that button right there. Go to Create New. And that's where you create. For this service, we're going to go with the roof and gutter clean package. So we'll just type it in here. So now we type in the description. So here we go. We got clear debris from roof and gutters, limbs, leaves, etc. Blow off roof and gutter, and then treat roof with our safe and effective leave on roof cleaner, and then haul away debris. That's it. That's as simple as that. The customer reads that and says, "Hey, that's what I need." Right there. Okay. We're making that $450. It's probably going to take about 4 hours from one guy. Usually it's not going to take that long, but we'll allow 4 hours just in case you run into a real bad roof. And then you can allow customers 6. I couldn't imagine a customer saying, "Hey, I got 3 roofs," but maybe they do. Maybe they got a garage roof, house roof, and you're going to count those separate. So let's let them pick up to 5, and then we'll create an ad. You can see we got the bookable services up here, and our roof and gutter clean package is right there that we just added. And if we wanted to edit it, we can click it here. That allows us to edit. I'm not editing it. I just wanted to show that to you. 4 hours, $450. Now I'll show you how to see it in the actual form, what the customer will see. So you just go down here, click online booking. There you have it. Toggle that switch on. And that'll give you this copy it. Your online booking is good to go. You're going to hit that, go to Facebook, and share it. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I have more tutorials, and I have lots more to show you. I have a ridiculous amount of stuff to show you. I will post a bunch of my other bookable services on here in the near future, and a few more tutorials on Jobber. Thanks for tuning in. Hit the subscribe button and like. I need subscribers, and I need you to watch my videos, because this is the only way you're going to learn how to do this stuff from somebody that really knows what they're talking about. So let's do it together. Pause. Okay, that's the end of the video.